dito ah. Yes, okay, good morning, good morning. Over there, please draw your attention to the spotlight. Just kidding, anyway. Of course, our journey is also a little bit different. So, actually we started TBI in Caraga State University, where it was 2017. Na hindi namin alam yung mga acronym, TBI, what is this TBI all about, and what is this ITSO. We're also a pioneer of it. So we don't know what this acronym is all about. But we take our chances because that's the bandwagon of all over the country, no? So actually, yung unang batch ng TBI, hindi kami kasama doon sa 20. So andun kami in the middle. Nasa gitna kami. So thank you very much to share, especially the UST, for believing in us. Lalo na nung nasa laylayan kami ng nasa regional po. So, of course, nung una, Caraga State University is not really that much in terms of infrastructure. Nung bumisita nga si former secretary, parang nato kami doon yung namin sa university, parang kami isang mababang paaralan. So, that was really a very big challenge to all of us. Because infrastructure. Pasalamat kami dun sa pork barrel scam. Kasi all of those things happened because na-redirect yung pera and then nagawa kami ng mga infrastructure. So nagiging mataas na paaralan po kami. And then, on that things that really happens, medyo na iba yung landscape. Of course, andito yung mga kasama namin sa regional andito si Ma'am Inday, lahat andito yung mga regional sandang DOST kasi mga kapitbahay namin sila. Pinatayo namin yung mga building sa lupa namin So from that TBI thing, bali doon kami nasa middle kami So hindi rin kami nakasama doon sa hirit. Ang ano talaga nung sabi nga ni Jeff, nalilibog kami dun kung saan ba talaga ang dapat namin kalagyan. Kasi we are at the middle. Nalilito. So, pagkatapos nun, actually we just funded a bit siguro at the middle.
Si Secretary nag-react talaga.
Nagka-problema kami doon kasi pinatawag na kami ng share, magde-depend kami. Tapos, actually nag-usap kami si Jeff, supposedly yung project leader. Tapos wala siya, out of the country. So ako yung nagiging temporary muna na project leader, so kami yung nag-depend. So, I think it's really vivid in our memory na ano kami doon parang ginisa kami doon sa technical panel doon sa Exicom. Ano yung gagawin ng Caraga State University na magiging TBI? Pwede bang maging TBI doon? So, anyway, the good thing is, yung fighting spirit nila Ma'am Ras at saka ni Ma'am Lizzie, sige, kaya natin to. So, medyo malakas kami kay Lord. So, nabigyan kami ng pera. At siguro at the middle. So ngayon, sabi namin, wow, thank you. May 8.9 siguro kami doon. So, hindi namin alam yung first 20 kung magkano yung nabigay sa kanila, hindi na namin nilalang. But we are grateful with this 8.9 to start the TBI. Tinaya namin yung building namin kahit na hindi pa tapos. No, just kidding. Pero tapos na talaga. So, we allocated 200 square meter para doon sa TBI. Walang laman, only the building, and then definitely andun yung Navigato. That's our first TBI in 2017, yung Navigato. Okay? So, pasalamat kami talaga sa fan. Ngayon, with this bandwagon of opportunity ng TBI, andun na yung hirit. Sabi namin, pwede ba kaming humirit na makasama doon? Definitely sabi ni Miss Ras, no. Kasi andun na yung funding So, at least natapos. And then, when we have it, sabi namin, one of the greatest issue talaga, siguro sa lahat ng mga nag-TBI dito ngayon, so tuwang-tuwa tayo ngayon no, kasi may mga funding. The greatest challenge is how to sustain it. Yung sustainability is also one of the first issue na talaga kailangan nating ilaban. Of course, kung mag-depend tayo, kailangan tayo ng sustainability kung paano. So marami tayong pwedeng itaya doon. Commitment. So, of course, we are being coached. Yung mga TBI dito, dito sila Miss Alwin, si Sir Vaticados, and then sila, ayan ito mga TBI, yung mga TBI technical panel. So, but the very reasons on how we sustain is how we embrace TBI as one part of our directions dun sa Caraga region. So, to cut the story short, kasi wala pa namang ano dito, hindi ko napapansinin yung time dito. So, nagano kami, I try to have a lot of programs as being mentored to us. So ngayon, nung wala ng pera, so paano tayo ngayon pag wala ng pera? So of course, you're on your own. So we develop some strategy within the university. In such a case, marami na rin kaming na mga strategy na nilagay namin. Kagaya ng nagiging presidente ako, so part dun sa TBI. But anyway, the good thing is, I really wanted to kaya sige, mag-presidente tayo, kailangan natin gagawin yung TBI. Hindi lang yung rason sir but we really wanted also to move forward a bit with this. So, ang ginawa namin, of course, nag-assign kami ng faculty member kasi wala nang fund. Nagiging project yung TBI manager as a faculty, my deloading, my staff. So, to continue. So, we have been, have them mga 9 units ba yun, Jeff? Or 12 units na deloading at saka yung mga staff to run the incubation program. And eventually, ang nagiging is the Navigato leads all the entrepreneurial endeavor of the university. So ang ginawa ko, so I owe to the TBI na naging presidente ako. So binago ko lahat ng curriculum. So since ako na yung presidente ngayon, baguhin natin yung curriculum. So ngayon, since binago ko yung curriculum, lahat ng program ng university, kailangan may the entrepreneurial mindset. 3 units! Yun yung ginawa namin. So kaya, yun yung 3 units, kaya na yung magsusustain ng TBI. So yung Navigato ngayon, I think hindi na siya mamumulubi sa pagano ng funds kasi yung 3 units nakikitain doon sa lahat ng curricular program, siya na ho yung magmamanage ng pera. Hindi ko na i-disclose kung magkano, baka kasi gayahin nyo. So anyway, so the thing is, andon, we all set for the TBI to continue, and in fact, the changes that we made for Caraga State University in terms of how we inculcate entrepreneurial mindset among our students is, we walk the talk. Kasi walang maniniwala sa atin, especially in Filipino culture is, to see is to believe. Ngayon, ano ba yung mga startup at saka spin-off na yan? So kaya, masalamat, nakita ko si Ms. Karen dito, pinasali naman kami dito sa Leaders in Innovation Program. So, at least siguro naloko namin na pinasali kami. And then finally, we first came up with our first spin-off company. We called it MapX. And we are very proud to see that MapX is really rolling out. Kumikita na ho siya ng 16 million to date as one of our spin-off company. And then, I will take also this opportunity kung sino yung kailangan bumili ng system on financial management, enrollment, tell us. we have also services. That's one part also of our Navigatas as a startup. Then eventually we are moving into some other programs. May agritara na rin kami na what we call this. And then na TBI. And then the Caraga State University really evolved in a university kung ano na siya ngayon. We have around 22 RDI centers at saka hindi kasama yung TBI. So we all set to navigate the journey of our technology business incubations. Sana ho, as incubator, di ba? Ano yung palaisipan natin na incubator? So, pag may ilagay doon, so magiging life as a part of the incubator. Kung hindi ka magiging sisiw, kakainin ka ng magiging balot. But anyway, that's one good thing that's very nice with this TBI thing. So, thank you, DOST, for not just putting your bags, putting your eggs into one basket. Sabi, saan ba ilagay yung egg? Hindi sa basket, para sa tray. But the point is, thank you for distributing all this opportunity to regional state universities and NCIs in the country that help us also thrive and contribute to the economic development of the country. Zero na tayo. Wala na. Thank you and God bless us all.
Dr. Robin David, maraming salamat. At this juncture, we will be presenting a plaque of appreciation to our presidents. May we ask Secretary Swindon, Yusek Bandia, Executive Director Dr. Padilla, and Ms. Russell M. Healy, Consortium Head of One Western Visayas, Dr. Carmelo Ambu, to join us on stage for the awarding and the photo opportunity.
Department of Science and Technology, Philippine Council for Industry, Energy, and Emerging Technology Research and Development awards this plaque of appreciation to Dr. Tirso Quilio for being one of the speakers during the President's Technology Business Incubator Journey.
Thank you as well to Dr. Eric A. Maluoy.
Lastly, the award plaque of appreciation with the same citation to Dr. Roland C. Dakin. Once again, there you have it, everyone. A round of applause to our presidents and their TBI journey.